YouTube fam? It's your boy J Will, back at it again with another tutorial. Before we get started with today's video, what I want to do is I want to thank everybody that's been supporting me so far, and that's liked, subscribed to the channel, because you're the real #1 people of this channel. This is who I do it for. It's for you. So if you haven't already, what are you doing? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you hit that notification bell as well, because without you, I am nothing. And I want to thank everyone for support for the future as well. So tell you what we're going to get into. Today's video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going over how to make killer chord progressions. I'm going to teach you a little tip and a little trick to help you get those killer chord progressions done a lot easier and a lot faster. And with this, if you're suffering from beat block as well, this will definitely kill that as well. So before we get started, bring in the hook. All right, YouTube fam, so this is what we got. We got our FL Studios up, so I'm gonna teach you how to make these killer melodies real quick. So let's get started, So first, I'm just gonna bring up Omnisphere real quick. So go ahead and set up something so we can get our sounds together. I'm gonna show you a little tip and a little trick as well, so you can see exactly how easy this stuff can be and how easy it is to overcome beat block as well. All right, so here comes the Omnisphere. All right, so the first thing you want to do is you're going to come over here to your channel rack and then click on this plus sign and hit delete. All right, that's going to bring up an empty channel right here. And basically what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on piano roll, right click, hit piano roll. All right, so this is the little trick I'm going to show you in the tip. So basically, in order to have your chord progressions, you have to have the actual scale that you want it in. Either it's going to be minor or major. So basically, this is the easiest way to get those chords and those notes together. So what you want to do is you want to click over here on this icon right here and basically go over melodic scales or melodic chords, whatever you want. But we're going to use the scales because the scales you're able to work with a little bit more. So we got that all said and done. So basically, I'm going to hit minor natural. Let's see. So we're going to go into the, I'm thinking A? Yeah, let's go to the A. So basically, once you get A ready, you can actually drag it all the way over here if you wanted to. So, and just stretch it all the way out. And basically, what you want to do is you want to do that the same way for everything. And basically, what I'm doing is I'm hitting shift. I highlighted it, hit shift, and then all I did was just drag it. So hit shift. So now those are our ghost notes. That's what we like to call ghost notes. So basically when we're going into our chord progressions, those ghost notes are basically every single note that we can hit in order for it to make a chord. All right. So we're going to click off of that and we're going to Omnisphere and choose our sound. So, all right. So now we got our sound picked out. We're going to go ahead to Omnisphere, right click on piano roll. And so basically every single note that you see in here we'll be able to put a note on to make our basically any type of chord that we want. So I'm going to click on here and I'm just going to make some notes in real quick. So now you can just literally choose any notes. I'm going to choose a note set random. You can do 3, so it sounds like this. You can do 4 if you wanted to. You can do 5, really, honestly. It really doesn't matter. So another chord progression. So as I keep on going, I just change it a little bit here and there. So this is what it sounds like now. So that's what that chord progression sounds like right now. You can add a little bit more to it towards the bottom. This would sound. But honestly, you can probably drop this down a whole octave to give it some texture. And then you can also put in a little melody with the same keys, you know? So you can just bring that down a little bit right here. And then you can just really maybe just paste it out like that. So, and change the last note up a little bit. So now it sounds like this. So now that you have that, you can really do whatever you want within the chord progression. You can switch it up. You can shorten it up right here and just be like doop, and just, and maybe just like change it up right here. So like bam, 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 bam. So you just be like this. And then you can change it up right here as well. Then you're like this. So, and then easy chord progressions. Now you're just out of beat block at this moment. So if there isn't anything else for me to go over, I really appreciate you all staying to the end of this video. I really want you to come back and stay with me. So if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button if there's something that you're into, and just do you, you know? So if you know anything else I can go over, hit the comment section. Let me know what you think of this video, what you think of previous videos, and also just give me ideas for new videos, because I'm here to help you all, for those who are learning and those who are just trying to learn from each other, you know? I currently watch other YouTubers who are on FL Studios, and I'm currently learning new things each and every day. So without further ado, let's go ahead, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.